Hi guys, welcome to Golden Epaulettes Aviation. In continuation to our A320 prep series, this is a fresh session on fire protection system. We hope you are enjoying this session. If there is any doubt or clarification is required, please comment or send us an email or anything else. If any suggestion is there, please get back to us. So let's get started with the fire protection system. So we start with the first question, which says, which is basically a true or false type. It is trying to say Airbus for Airbus A320 in APU and engine there are dual fire loop detection system, and they are for purpose like in case if one gets faulty, other will take over. Is it true or false? So the answer for this question is of course true. If one gets faulty, other will still provide the complete fire detection warning to the crew. So question goes like this: if aircraft has dual fire detecting loop for engine and APU to ensure that fault is in one fire loop will not affect fire detection capability. Options are true or false. So of course the answer is true. Continuing with the next question, which says engine fire loop are installed. So basically it is trying to say is where are the areas in engine where engine fire detection loop are installed. So one of them is engine core, engine nacelle and the fan area. These are three prominent areas in the engine where fire detection loop are fixed. So if you go to options, options are engine pylon, core, both of them are correct. Of course both of them are correct. And third, if not given, fan area is also the one where the fire loop detection unit is fixed.